Hi, my name is Ilya, and I'm going to show you how to create FastEdge application. One of the important use cases for Edge applications is server-side rendering. So I will show you how to create an application that does exactly this. So it renders markdown into HTML on the fly, assuming we have some storage of the documents in markdown. In our case, it will be FastEdge Rust SDK that has a couple of markdown documents. So we create the application to show these documents in HTML. To do this, I go into the create application functions of the dashboard, uh, and I create the markdown renderer because we already have the template for this. I give it some name, R Rust SDK uh, docs, and I need to specify the base URL of the origin, and I know it, so I specify the repo name in a or branch name, and I deploy it. Okay, the app is deployed. It usually very fast. Let's try to access README Markdown document. Yes, this is it. This document in Markdown rendered to HTML. Uh, it it looks okay, but I want to add some style to it, so I will mm, add the style, whatever I specify in head environment variable will be copied into the head tag of the HTML. So save and deploy. Um, yeah, readme MD. Yeah, we have the same document but in dark theme. We can check there was also change log in the same repo. Yeah, it also works. So that's it. Thank you.